In this video, I will explain how to inspect a full body harness. In general, check the safety belt and put it on. Do not use the safety belt that has damage. Please use the safety belt that has two hooks. Do not use the single hook safety belt. If the belt is 3 meters, it should not be used. If you use it, check the free fall distance. When checking the safety belt, you should be ready as if the lanyard length is 1.8 meters. Some belts are 3 meters. If it is then, it should not be used. If it is used, that safety belt, check the free fall distance. Then next we need to check the hook latches. Additionally need to check the hook spring. In case damage, then don't use this safety belt. In case working at a height area, mandatory lock the hook, thereafter ensure it. There will be a eye cover on the lanyard rope attached to run the hook. Actually in this eye cover metal body and lanyard has some PP rope, so damage chances there. That's why here provided the cover. Apart from that, polythene cover have on sleeving. In this PP rope has splicing with polythene cover. Check for damage, and if it is damaged, do not use it. The minimum size of full body harness should be 12 mm. It should be 1.8 meters and should have one indicator line. No matter any safety belt, no matter what color, there is a small line in the dark color at lanyard PP rope area. This is the indicator. This indicator line should not be cut anywhere. If we are using frequently, it may chance of lanyard rope damage. It's showing some powder or cuts. If it was like that, then the belt should not be used. While doing welding and gasketing work, the time welding metal and spark has touched at lanyard PP rope, which may chance of PP rope damage. Do not use damaged rope if it is damaged. Next to lanyard to D-ring tie lash comes the safety belt is attached to the dorsal D-ring. Check if the ring is in good condition, then check if there is any damage to the PVC lock. If it is damaged, we should not use the safety belt. Apart from that, we need to check the webbing. As far as this strap is concerned, the size of this strap and is 40 mm and it has thickness is 3 mm. And this webbing comes and is made for polyester. Check that there is a proper stitching in the webbing. Meanwhile, check that there is a proper double layer. Some people put the holes in it and use some other activity. Do not use if there is any damage. Next thing, we need to check this the shoulder strap and chest strap and thigh strap. Check that all the straps are in good condition. It has metal lock and connecting and regulating buckles. And check if there is any damage in the connecting and regulating buckles. And at the same time, come and check if there is any damage in that lock where there is a PVC lock. Check that the fall arrestor and latch and eye cover are damaged. This safety belt has a shock absorber and safety belt and I am using can be used only at the height of 6 meters. Ordinary belt comes and can work at the height of 1.8 meters. What is the use of shock absorber? The use of the shock absorber is when a worker unexpectedly falls down while working at a height, or for when he falls, the shock absorber comes into contact with it and then it releases little by little. The actual load will not come on the workers. First the load will carry on the shock absorber. That's why we are using in this safety belt. Actually, we need to inspect the full body harness with third party agencies and we need to keep certificate from our end. Each and every company mandatory need to complete the third party inspection. That is very important one. Monthly once check the checklist. Better every day need to check. If found any damage, then don't use at workplace area. This is on proper way of checking the safety belt, like a full body harness. Then the next video we will discuss about free fall distance